Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a game called Catch Me If You Can in Scratch. Now this works on Scratch 2 or Scratch 3. I think it's probably more Scratch 3, but that's okay. So first what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to delete the cat sprite. We're going to add a new sprite, and this is going to be called it's going to be an alien. It's actually going to be monster. Wait, no, ghost, but we're going to call it alien. So here we go, and we're going to change the name to alien. There we go, and we're going to add another sprite, and it's going to be called rocket. It's probably going to be called here we go, yeah, rocket ship. We're going to change it to spaceship. I don't know why. Spaceship done. Now we're going to put some backdrops on as well. So what we're going to want to do is we're going to go and choose a backdrop. We're going to go to space, and you're going to find moon. Then we're going to click choose backdrop again, space and neon tunnel. Now you're going to go into backdrops. You're going to delete backdrop 1. Here we go. So the first thing we're going to want to do is we're going to make some things. So what you want to do is you want to go into events, and you want to go one green flag clicked. Then you want to go to motion, go to, and operators, pick random, and you're going to put it in, and you're going to duplicate it and put it in there. So the first one is going to be minus 240 and 0, and the other one is going to be minus 180. That's wrong. That one's wrong. That was just a bit wrong. And 180. Then we're going to go into looks and show. Now we're going to do when green flag clicked forever if then we're going to go if then. Yep, we're going to duplicate it 4 times. No, that's in the wrong one. It has to be inside the forever. It has to be inside the forever, but not in. Oh, I've got another forever. Whoops, that's why. And there. Now duplicate. Oh, it's fine if we duplicate it like that. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to go into seasoning, and honestly, I think it's easier if I just drag 4 of these in, but you can drag you can duplicate them if you want. And what you're going to want to do is just a heads up, this is going to be using like a keyboard with keys, so if you don't have keys then it's not possible to do this. There's one way. If you haven't, you should go check out Griffin Patch's video, because that's going to teach you how to. But I'll leave a link if anyone wants to go check out Griffin Patch's channel. He's quite good. I watch him quite a lot. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to up arrow. Oh, just saying, not sponsored, by the way. Or, I don't know. It's not sponsored though. Then we're going to go to left arrow. Let's go. and then right arrow, last but not least, down arrow. Now we're going to go to motion, and we're going to go point to direction, and the first one's going to be 0, and then move 10 steps. Now, is it going to do that 4 times? Boom. Nope. Ah. Take that out. Take that. Move this and move that. There. 2 more times. Point to direction. Move 10 steps. And last but not least, point to direction and move. Nope. Move 10 steps. Now, the left arrow, it's going to be the left arrow is going to be minus 90. This one's right arrow is going to stay as 90, and the down arrow is going to be, you can drag it as well, but it's going to do this, it's going to be 180, so that's fine. So now let's test it out. So this is what it looks like at the moment, and we should be able to go up and down. Yep. You might just need to fix some. So yep, it should all be correct. Yep. Now if we go on to when green flag clicked, you're going to go into forever, and you're going to go to if, then, and you're going to want to go to seasoning, touching, and you're going to want to go to spaceship, then wait in control, and then the top, you're going to want to put it on 0.1 seconds, and then you're going to click looks and hide. So basically what you should do is when you get to the rocket, it should look. So I just hid, and then if I press this, it shows again. The only thing is you might spawn on the rocket. Now that is something that is necessarily not, it's not something that can be fixed. I think there's something wrong with this. Oh, that's why I've done it wrong. The down arrow is wrong. You're just looking at it. It wouldn't work. So good. The down arrow should work now. Yes, the down arrow works. The down arrow wasn't working. Now we're going to just do one more thing, and we're going on the spaceship, on the alien, then we're going to move on to the spaceship. We're going to go to if on edge bounce. We're going to put that just underneath the if, but still in the forever, and like that. So if it's touching the edge, it's going to bounce off. Like, so this is what we got so far. So you got an alien that moves, and if it touches the rocket, it goes away. I'm gonna change the size of the alien to 50. That way it's just a bit easier to actually play. Because you see, if you do this at the moment, it's like it was all, the thing was awfully big. So the alien was awfully big. Now we're going to move on to the spaceship. Just out of interest, does it have any costumes? Yes, it does. Whoa. It's going to code. Oh, it's going to change that back. So, going to go into rocket ship. We're going to go to when green flag clicks, go to and we're going to want to go to operators, and you're going to go to we're going to want to go to 0 minus 240 and minus 170 and it's probably going to be 170. Yep. If you're wondering, I'm just using well, I used a book and then I saved it so I know what I'm doing. So if you think I'm just making this up, I know what I'm doing. So you're going to go to forever. After that, we're going to go to point towards alien, and we're going to make the rocket faster, otherwise it's going to get us way before we can go anywhere. So the only problem is we might. So this is what we got so far. Oh, oh great. Oh damn it. And later I'm going to show you how to do some other things. But for now we're going to go back to it. So if we just pause, can we pause it? Uh, um, yes, I know. For now, I'm just going to stop this code just so it's not painful to look at. But now we're going to go on to when green flag clicked forever if then no just if touching alien, then wait 1 second, it should be 1 second, it should change, but sadly that's not possible. They're going to go to glide, they're going to go to motion, glide to, we're going to change it to 1, 0, 180, and we're going to change it to, we're going to go to looks, hide, no, their hides, and switch, no not switch backdrop to neon tunnel. Now we're going to go into the backdrops, we're going to go to backdrops, neon tunnel, we're going to click on the text, we're going to change it to white. Doesn't actually matter which color it is, as long as it's completely white, that's all that matters. Then we're going to type game over, and you're going to drag that about to the center. Yeah, that's okay. Now what you want to do is, so this is what we got. Ooh, but there's a few more mistakes that we just need to fix. So this is what we got so far. So when we move, the rocket's going to try catch us, and if it is, it's going to go up there. But there is one more problem. Actually, two more, but I can't fix one sadly. If we go into backdrops, and then we're just going to do. So if we go on to backdrops, then we go moon, codes, when green flag clicked, looks, switch backdrop to moon, and then backdrops neon tunnel. We're just going to do the same here. Yeah, looks already here. So this is what our game looks like. Now just be aware, the rocket might accidentally spawn on the rocket on the on the on the alien in the first place, but you'll just have to press the green flag. Sadly, there's no fix for that. At least I haven't found one. But that's what we got. So, are you ready? Let's do this. So basically, that's what happens. Then when we're done, that's what happens. It says game over. Now, I think that's pretty much it for the video today, guys. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please, if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe. As usual, no, as always, have the best day ever. Keep being you. Peace.